Welcome dear students. Now very important example from practice set 2.2, example number 3. This type of example may come for 4 marks in your board exam. Very easy, only thing that you must apply your basic knowledge for this example. Let us see how to solve it. We will go systematically step by step, okay? But do not be in hurry to complete the example. See that you are following each and every step systematically, okay? Then only you will find that the example is easy, otherwise it will be little bit difficult. Now see here what is given to you. In the figure, segment PS is the median of triangle PQR. PS is the median of triangle PQR. So PS is median means S is midpoint of QR. Simple. PT perpendicular to QR. PT perpendicular to QR. Then you have to prove that first part. PR square is equal to PS square plus twice QR into ST. Twice QR into ST plus half of QR the whole square. Okay, although it is looking like little bit difficult, but it is not at all difficult. Okay, let us see how to solve it. Second part we will see later on. Now let us concentrate on first part. Now we want to prove PR square. So here it is a PR square. I'll give you a brief idea how we will go about it. Now we are going to write that S is midpoint of QR, correct? If S is midpoint of QR, then QS is equal to SR, correct? I am not mentioning it here now. So QS is equal to SR is equal to half of QR, correct or not? So that we are going to write first. Secondly, now we are going to use Pythagoras theorem here. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem says for first triangle we are going to apply PTS. Is it a right angle triangle? Yes, of course it is a right angle triangle. So you can get PS square, that is hypotenuse, is equal to PT square plus TS square, correct or not? In triangle PTS, T is 90 degree, means PS is going to be hypotenuse. So I apply Pythagoras. PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. Simple? Good. Now secondly we are again going to apply Pythagoras theorem for the triangle PTR. Now question arises, why sir PTR only? PTR because we want PR square. See here, PR square. We want PR square. So this is a PR, but PR is hypotenuse to the triangle PTR. So again we are going to apply Pythagoras. So what you are going to get? PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. Okay, after that the important step will come. So let us write first step by step and then we will proceed. Okay, here I wrote in triangle PQR, PS is median, correct? Therefore S is midpoint of QR. Therefore QS is equal to SR is half of QR. Say equation number 1. Now in triangle PTS, correct, angle T is equal to 90 degree given to you. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, just apply. How you will apply? PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square, correct? PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. Say equation number 2. Simple. So we are just following the simple steps. First we wrote QS is equal to SR is equal to half of QR because S is the midpoint. Now we applied Pythagoras for triangle PTS. Okay, so PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. Now first part, what is that? Now in triangle PTR, in triangle PTR, again angle T is equal to 90 degree, correct or not? If it is written it's okay, but you have to write it complete, or maybe single letter will do. So angle T is 90 degree, therefore it is a right angle triangle. Therefore now by again what? Pythagoras theorem. Simple. So start writing by Pythagoras theorem. What? PTR, hypotenuse is PR. So PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Now the important part. This is simple. PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. But TR is nothing but TS plus SR. Yes or no? TR is TS plus SR. So this is the important step you are going to write. Therefore, PR square is equal to PT square plus bracket TS plus SR the whole square, and give the reason. T dash S dash R means these are collinear points. So TS plus SR the whole square. I hope clear to you all. So this is important step. If you want, you can make a star point over here. I'll highlight for you that what we have done it here. So this is the important step. Okay. Now next part. What we are going to do? We are going to make square of this. So write down here, therefore again PR square is equal to PT square plus, now this is A plus B the whole square. What is the formula for A plus B the whole square? A square means TS square plus 2AB means 2 times TS into SR plus B square means SR square. Okay, like this we have used the A plus B the whole square formula. If you want, I will write for you here. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Correct? Now this TS square I am taking with PT square. So I will write here, therefore PR square is equal to PT square plus TS square. This is together I am writing. Rest I will write as it is, 2 times TS into SR plus SR square. This is formula we will write here. Now SR square. But you know SR is what? SR is half of QR. We already wrote here. This SR half of QR we are going to write here. So now, but PT square plus TS square. Just recall your equation number 2. See here, PT square plus TS square. What is that? PS square. So I am going to write, therefore PR square is equal to PS square plus, now this is 2 times TS into SR. SR is half of QR. So half of QR plus again here half of QR the whole square. Now this 2 get cancelled. Therefore PR square is equal to PS square plus TS into QR plus half of QR whole square as it is. Check whether it is proof or not. So like this you have to prove the first part. Now let us revise it. Again I'll explain. In triangle PTR, angle T is 90 degree. And therefore by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PT square plus TR square. But TR is nothing but TS plus SR. So square it out. This is important step. Square it out. A plus B the whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is going to become TS square plus 2TS into SR plus SR square. This TS square I am taking with PT square. So PT square plus TS square together plus rest of the thing as it is. But you know SR is what? Half of QR, that you had substituted. This is important part, that is PS square. So from where you got? This is from 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This is from 1 and 2. Okay. So hence proved. So like this you have to prove the first part. Similarly, we are going to prove it for the second part. So let us see the second part again. Now second part. What is second part? PQ square. Okay. Now consider here PTQ triangle. Triangle PTQ. T is 90 degree. I mean this is a again right angle triangle. So you can use PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Procedure is same. only one again important step that I am going to mention. So let us write it. In triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is 90 degree. Therefore, by again Pythagoras theorem. Yes, tell me how you will write it. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Correct or not? Now, QT. Now here QT is nothing but from QS. Now understand it very carefully. From segment QS, if you subtract TS, you will get QT. I'll repeat. From segment QS, if you subtract TS, you will get QT. Correct or not? That we are going to write here. So therefore, PQ square is equal to PT square plus QS minus ST, correct, the whole square. Again, you can write the reason Q dash T dash S. This is the collinearity. I hope clear. I'll repeat again. QS minus TS is nothing but QT. So in place of QT, we have written QS minus ST. Now again, the procedure is same. Just square it out with the formula A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square. So you will get QS square minus 2AB means 2, not A plus B, A minus B the whole square. Sorry. So minus 2AB. So 2QS into ST plus ST square. I hope clear to you all. Correct or not? Now, so therefore, now again apply your first part here. PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. So you got PT here, correct? This is PT square and this is ST square. That I am going to take it together. So it is PT square plus ST square together. Okay. And rest of the thing we can write it as it is. So minus 2QS into ST plus QS the whole square. This QS the whole square here. I hope clear. Now, but PT square plus TS square from 2 is PS square. But QS is what? QS is half of QR. So from again 1 and 2 we are going to change this equation. So let us write it. So I'll write here. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PS square minus twice. QS is what? Half of QR. So into half of QR into ST plus again QS is what? Half of QR the whole square. Now these two to get cancelled and you will get the proof. Now reason you have to write here from 1 and 2. Okay, so PQ square is equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus half of QR the whole square. Hence proved. I hope it is clear to you all. Procedure is same. Only thing that you have to apply properly. Okay, so what is the important step here? This is the important step. Now let us highlight it. This is important step. Okay, so like this we have proved both the part. So as I told, this type of example may come for 4 marks in your board exam. So this is first part and this is second part. Thank you. Enjoy solving maths.